Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the electric lemonade recipe. Now this recipe right here is highly refreshing, it's tasty, has a beautiful color, and you would enjoy it all year round. Now the cocktail version calls for vodka, blue curacao, lemonade, and your lemon lime soda of choice. But for this mocktail version, we'll be using the blue curacao syrup, freshly squeezed lemon juice, lemon lime soda of choice, which will be using Sprite, and a little bit of simple syrup, which is optional. So in my shaker, which already has some ice, I'm going to go in with half an ounce of blue curacao syrup because I don't want my drink too blue. I'm trying to get control of the color of the drink. Now I'm also going to go ahead with 1 ounce freshly squeezed lemon juice, 2 ounces of my homemade lemonade, and half an ounce of simple syrup, which is optional. I'm going to close my shaker and give it a good shake for 10 to 15 seconds or until the container feels cold to touch. I'm going to go ahead and strain my drink into my tall glass, which is half filled with ice. Now, if you're enjoying this recipe, kindly give us a thumbs up, share our video, and kindly subscribe to the channel. Now I'm going to go ahead and float my Sprite above the drink I already strained in, and also go ahead and garnish with some maraschino cherries. Here you have it guys, your electric lemonade. Please try out this recipe and drop us a comment down below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks guys for watching.